Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have unboxed two different types of bags. One is the sling bag, or you can call it a messenger bag, and the other one is a waist bag or a chest bag. Let's open and see the features of this sling bag. As you can see, the print is very much pretty and the bag's quality is also very awesome. The design is a trendy design which is trending in the market. It has 3 compartments and you can store lots of things inside it. It has a sling, or it has a handle to hold. The chain quality is also very good, or you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart online only at Rs 250. This sling bag comes in 6 different colors. You can choose your favorite color. Okay, let's see the features of the other bag. This bag is from Palay company and it costs Rs 640 from Amazon online. This bag's quality is very good. It has 4 compartments. You can store mobile phones, credit cards and other things here. You can get this bag in different multicolored online and choose your favorite one. Wow, the zip quality is also very good, guys. You can go for it. Keep checking the channel. Thanks for watching.